edit PDF files directly in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. Have you ever needed to edit a PDF but found it difficult or time-consuming? Well, I have great news for you. With Microsoft Word, you can open and edit PDF files directly. No extra software needed. Let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Word. Once it's open, click on File, and then select Open. From there, choose Browse and navigate to the location of your PDF file. Select it and click Open. You'll see a prompt letting you know that Word will convert your PDF into an editable Word document. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Click OK to proceed, and Word will handle the conversion automatically. In just a few seconds, your PDF will open as a regular editable Word document. Now you can modify the text, update images, or even add new elements, just as you would in any other Word file. Keep in mind, the formatting might shift a little during conversion, especially with complex layouts. But the best part is, you have full control to adjust and make it look perfect again. Once you're done editing, it's time to save your work. You can either save it as a Word document for future editing or export it back to PDF format if you want to share it or print it professionally. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit a PDF directly inside Microsoft Word. No third-party tools, no complicated steps, just simple and efficient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more quick and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.